Hello, welcome to the assignment 4 video, and in this video I'm going to talk about my coding regarding the assignment 4. This part has divided into two major tasks. The first task is to make the random genome from the four letters A, C, G, and T. And second one is that to do the concurrency threads to processing this task compared with the single threads to check which makes fast and what's their difference. So let's go through the part here. Let's first see how it works here. So I already done everything, and while I run the code, it create a 100 object here, and then it will show it takes single thread 4 seconds to finish the task, and multiple threads is 0 seconds. It's 0 something, so we do a couple more times, it will to 1. Yeah, because 100 is not a super large number, so I may do 1000 to check the difference, so it's maybe tell more difference. 1000 is also not enough, so 10,000. And also I want to get the genome length to 100, so it will be more make sense here to read the comparison. Yeah, you can see, so after this the single one do 67 to finish it, but the multi one just do 1. Okay, so let's go through the code and see what's going on here. Let me change it back, because we just required to do 100 and each one is 10, so okay. Let's run it again, okay. Alright, so let's see the code. The first one I use I define the general class here. The general class, which is implements the runnable, and then first we define a string array to show which 4 different letters we need to put on. So I put A, C, G, T inside it. And then we have a method here. We have a method here to do, if we do a single thread to create 100, we should do, right? So the first variable is how many genome we want to print. So in our case it's 100, and then is how long is the genome. So in our case it's 10. So yeah, so this is 2 variable in our methods. And then we use string builder to build an empty object and do the random to do the random object, and then to do 2 for loop. So let's look at the inside first. The inside is how long the genome string length you want be. In our case it's 10, and then index is random number to select from these 4 letters, and then append one by each other. So it makes the final string here. And then here is how many times we want to run. So in our case 100. So this is a double for loop to make sure we create the 100 genome with 10 letters randomly select from A, C, G, T. Okay, then is our main part here. The main part, we have a class called genome super squeezer. Yeah, so here is that first we define a task to inherit from the genome. So we'll create an object from the genome. So it's called task. And then in this case, I assign 3 threads to process this task. So here is this 3, and then in our main function here, also we use current time malus to show what's the current timestamp right now. So first we get the current timestamp right now. My first thing is to run the single one. So we just use a single thread, how it happens. So I record the start time, then I do the single single one. I call out the function here we define here, right? And then then let me see. Yeah, and then the total single time use is at the current timestamp minus our single time start point. So that's a total processing time for our single thread. And then I print out a message to separate from single and multiple. So here is the message here. And then is I use another call multiple thread start time to record the starting time point of the multi-thread processing. And then I use three. I start these three threads we work here. We defined previously to let them run. And then to make sure, we need to add the join function here to make sure all these three threads finish. Then we start to record the current timestamps, then minus the start point. So yeah, after this three threads finish, we start to record the time. And then I just system print out together. So it takes single thread how long time and multiple thread how long time to figure it out, and then to catch the exception here. So yeah, this is basically everything for the assignment 4. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment. Thank you so much.